So this is a SSH issue, right? So right there is just my PC, some Mac, and all I'm trying to do is just log in via SSH into a switch that in my lab, just a piece of physical hardware that I have. I'm trying to SSH into it right here. Actually, let me go ahead and get out y'all way real quick. All right, so like I was saying, I'm just trying to SSH into it, but however, I'm getting the SSH key error. So that's just me SSH into IP address. Then you see this key error. If you ever run into this, the way that I learned how to fix this is by editing a VI or a Vim file, and that would be this file right here. So we're just gonna grab this whole file right here, just copy it, and then you just go VI to get into the edit mode, right? And then you're just gonna paste it right there. So now when you're in that mode, let me actually get out of here real quick. Before that, you're gonna have to remember this number, because that's how you're gonna find the offending key or the offending RS key that's throwing this error that you're getting right here that won't allow you to SSH, because this error is saying that my PC has saved this SSH key for this IP address that I'm using on my PC, which I have config and 0, which is this IP address that I'm using right there. So again, remember that number, because that's how we're going to find that key. So when I go into the file again, so just clear this out the way and go into the file again, we do :2 enter. As you can see, it's highlighted right on that SSH RSA key that I need to delete, and you'll just hit DD for delete and it's gone, as you can see. Then you're just going to want to :UQ to save it, and now you're out of there. So now when I SSH into it, let me go right in there. So that was just a quick way to show y'all if you ever get that kind of, or I cleared it out of the way. Like I said, it wasn't nothing too crazy. Just like I said, if you run into that SSH key error, that was a quick way to do it. There's also a way to just remove the SSH file. There's some command to remove the SSH file that I was pointing to, but I wasn't too sure about that. I didn't know if it was gonna mess up my computer or not. Maybe y'all could say what was the differences between removing the known host file versus just deleting the key and editing it in a Vim file like I did. If you guys have any questions, definitely drop them in the comments. I'll do my research and do my best to answer them. But if you like the video, as always, you know I gotta hit y'all with that shameless plug. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, so if you run into anything in your everyday world, you feel me, and you ever run into that kind of issue, it was just something to just hopefully help you out. And just again, just always just want to share my knowledge and everything like that. But I appreciate y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all tap in for the next one. I'm just gonna keep coming with these videos. Y'all keep subscribing, man. I love y'all, appreciate it. And as I always say, y'all already know what I got a ninja vanish.